Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to identify the names of flowers and plants. To do this, you need to download the ChatGPT app on your phone. I've already downloaded it, so I will just open the app. Next, tap on the camera icon and take a picture of the flower you want to identify. If you're happy with the picture, tap on the check mark. Now, type your question. For example, what's the name of this flower? Then tap the up arrow. As you can see, the flower has been identified as Dahlia. Instead of taking a picture, you can use one from your gallery. So tap on the gallery icon and select the picture. Ask a question about it. Then tap the up arrow. As you can see, I got the same results. That's a simple way to use ChatGPT to identify the names of flowers and plants. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.